heavy. Chance dropping already, I'm breathing so heavy. Mouth full on you, you kiss kitty too. Now it's time for entry. You slide.
Falling for someone that I deal with on a more casual basis. He's not looking to be in a relationship, even though it's a mutual understanding that I am. My issue is we do relationship type things. We do dates, family cookouts, events, or buying each other gifts. It's confusing. Like, what should I do? How should I separate the lines or figure things out with him? Interesting, young lady. What I don't like when men don't want to be in relationships, but do everything that you do inside of a relationship.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. Why are you always so quick to jump on the man?
Because I'm saying, like, I don't want to be with you, but I'm going to take you to meet my mama, though. That don't make no sense. Like, I want to be with you, but here's this Gucci bag, babe. You do your thing.
You trying to tell me you're not going to take all the...
Well, no, I'm going to take it. But I'm saying, if she want to be in a relationship, he don't. That blurs the lines for some females.
Well, she got to understand. Think about it. Take your gifts, or you gonna do without. You gonna do with or without. You got a choice. Man up or woman up and figure it out. Right? Separate your feelings, or do it or don't. That's what I say.
All you really do is chit chat about it, shorty. Talk to him. So I think maybe he want to be with you and he's just not ready right now. He probably got some other hoes. Oops, can I say? Okay, I can say hoes.
Or you know what you fall into? Oh, I was in a relationship for so long. I ain't really trying to be tied down to one joint. But we good as friends, you know. So you hear that get so, but you know, so you get the whole friends joint, friends with the little cloaks on the side.
The voice you just put on.
Maybe
she sound like she in it, right? She sound like that kid.
No, I'm not in it, but I was in it, and I was in it for 3 years with this whole friendship thing,
right,
you know, and we was doing the whole thing like she said, met the family and all that. The only thing I didn't meet was the kids, which is cool. I didn't need to meet them, but mom, dad, stuff like that. Things we did, everything we did was along the lines of a so-called relationship, but he just couldn't take on that title. And the reason why he felt, I guess, he didn't want to take the title on was because he just came out of a marriage.
Okay.
That he was with her for like a long time.
Right.
So, I mean...
My thing is, I ain't going to give you more than what I want to. I'm just a hardcore person, so I ain't falling for all that. I'm not going to give you more of my time I don't want to give you. I'm not going to do nothing I don't want to do. So, if I'm giving you my time I want to and I'm understanding, all right, it's not this, but I'm going to have my thing over here, and I ain't going to be falling for your stuff.
But that was cool. But you know what? You know what the problem came in?
Yeah.
He started feeling. His feelings started getting in there, and it was showing. So it's like, okay, your body, your everything's showing that you, the L word, but yet still, oh, no, wait. And he started trying to back up. So it's a hard situation to try to say with her because you got that, but there's something deeper. You know what I'm saying? She might be feeling
and she made it clear. She said she made her intentions known. She wanted more, he didn't. So.
But I'm saying he may be giving her those feelings that he's, hold up. You know what I'm saying? We know as women when a man is so come on. We know it. We feel it.
No, I'm not.
But they back off because they get scared.
They do.
I ain't mean you don't want to be with me. Get out of here.
Yeah, that's a cop out.
You got
to don't want to be with me. You ain't ready for this.
I'll take the gifts.
You ain't ready for this.
I'll take the gifts.
I'm gonna take the benefits. I'm gonna take them free dinners. I'm gonna take that free stuff.
Damn, you want to go to breakfast? Okay, all right, let's go to breakfast. Let's do it.
And while we doing all this, I'm gonna be chilling with who the real person is. I'm gonna look
right.
I'm all right. I'm keep weighing my options. All right. You know what I mean? While I take my free gifts, my free meals, my free this.
So when he do that, y'all can't be mad though. When he having fun with
as long as y'all have an understanding.
Well, we gotta understand. He said he don't want to.
Yeah, he said
I expect him to be doing everything. I wonder if she
just don't let me know.
But you know, men
I wonder if she doing some other stuff.
That's just so.
I wonder if she doing stuff.
Because she probably does want more. I don't know.
No. That's not what I'm saying.
She has other stuff.
I wonder if she doing other stuff. No, with him, is she taking it all the way?
No, it sounds like she wants him and only him.
She's doing the nasty too. That's what
I'm like, girl. What
she's doing everything in a relationship. Yes, you do.
Gotta understand though. When the man say he want to fall back, it's cool for him.
Scared.
He could do whatever he want to do, but y'all can't do that.
That's
y'all
the
gotta
thing.
wait till the man.
The catch-22.
There's no way that y'all can.
You ain't got to know it. Just because I'm doing it don't mean you got to know. I know how to do
I'm
stuff.
discreet.
Amen.
Hold on.
Well, you actually you finding out now.
He said, "Let me call."
I ain't talking about your lady. She's the best.com. That's my niece. So she the bomb.com.
She's be funny. He said, "Let me call my lady."
She faithful. That's
because if she learned from y'all,
No.
I'm getting kind of nervous.
Oh, she did. You know what? Like,
she ain't listen like that. She love.
No, y'all making a whole bunch of excuses for the next
We gonna have a long conversation.
This one, like, don't be around your aunties, okay? Right. You cannot be around them no more.
Don't let why you snitch on me, y'all. Yeah. So let's see. This next question. This is from a young man. He said, "I like the slang. I like when they send me something. I like to read it out." He was like, "Hey, yo, Toke. I got this."
Hit the voice. Go ahead.
No, this is how I can envision him saying it. Go ahead. Profile picture. So it was like, "I got this joint I deal with on a regular." What are y'all doing? The opposite questions here? I got this joint I deal with on a regular. Oh no, this is ew. Okay. He's got this joint he deals with on a regular. And I don't use protection. Said I don't pull out either. He said I'm not looking to get her pregnant.
Well, what?
But I do maybe down the line want to get in a relationship with her. How do I either tell her to get on birth control or how do I start introducing condoms? Sir, I'm confused.
Just whip it out.
Sir,
just put it on.
Listen, if you comfortable enough to use no condoms, you better be comfortable enough to have the conversation you gotta have. Come on now.
I'm very confused by the question, sir.
I'm sure you a grown person and you better be able to have that conversation if you doing what you gotta do.
Cause it's too late. You already did it. Like.
Or he could slam dunk a day at morning after pill on her Kool-Aid.
So you try to go Cosby this joint. Try Cosby.
Look how Streetz do. I'm telling you. See,
that
ain't 100. Stuff.
That ain't no 100%.
I know that don't always work too.
It ain't 100%.
How do y'all know these? How y'all know everything?
Because we do.
Maybe we trying to win females.
Right.
In my 21 years of life, I listen to my elders, and my elders have had these situations. I've had someone who did the morning after pill and ended up having a child, so it is not 100%.
Right. Shoot, the birth control is.
That's real. That's a real thing.
It is. It's like $50 at Walmart. Streetz.
Yeah, yes, they are now. They sell them at Walmart now. They didn't used to sell them.
And then used to have to go.
It used to be behind the counter. Now they got them on.
No. First it was at the clinic, and then you be behind the counter. So when you was the clinic, you be all embarrassed, like I need no more than that.
I only have 48 to 72 hours. Get me that.
And you sitting in the clinic with all these people like, I need to get this pill, but I'm gonna take my.
I'm here for allergy medicine. Nobody look. No.
And then they get in there, and ask you all them questions. Listen, you guess I've been through it, huh?
Yeah, see, she told you well. Whoever that was, that adult that told
y'all
you.
gave me ain't working.
Oh.
Said, oh my God. Like,
listen,
what?
sir. You grown man. You got. Either just put it on. Like, why do you have to explain yourself? Put it on. Like, put it on.
She might not be ready for kids either, so he should have a conversation with her.
Oh, if people really think nowadays,
if they going up in there raw,
they should be wild.
I'm not understanding like you got enough information in this world to say, listen, you know what's up. If you don't want to have a kid, I don't have kids, so I understand how to protect myself or get a morning after pill. Understand that? So if I know what I'm doing, I know that I don't want to get pregnant, so you know what to do. Come on. Other than that, for real, dude, that's ignorance. Like you just ignorant.
I'm like, that's why I'm confused.
Look, I ain't trying to save face. That's ignorance. You understand? You know the deal. You know what's up.
Right.
Come on. What are we doing?
And if she get pregnant, you better hurry up and put that condom on, because I'm.
And if she get pregnant, don't sit there saying it wasn't me. It was you. You was up in it.
You know what's so funny though? Why do men say that? Like people they knowingly had unprotected sex with, knowingly didn't pull out with. That's not my baby. How, Sway?
Because we watch movie and there's always a chance.
Oh, Lord. Did he go there? He went on the Marvin.
Look at his ears. Andre, look at his ears.
I
ain't going for
and you are not the father.
No, some of them, I'm going to keep it real. Maury done got me a few times. I'm
you
like,
are not
it's identical.
The father.
Oh, maybe all black people look like. I'm like, I swear that was a seed. It's not? Okay.
Some chick said she be cheating on her boyfriend with dudes that look just like him.
Oh, stop.
Oh my goodness. It makes sense if you
right. You try to tell me this little girl.
Wait a minute. It makes sense. It do make sense. That's just nasty.
Right.